I strongly condemn the police action of the government of Tamil Nadu in Tuticorin yesterday, in which more than 9 to 10 people have been killed and almost 100 have been injured in police firing. The state government and the state police of Tamil Nadu should be squarely held for this massacre of common people of Tuticorin district. They knew pretty well that the agitation of the local people was going on for the last few months, and this was the 100th day. The police and state government should have been and could have been more vigilant, more alert. They could have mustered the support of more police people to control the mob. Since the state government failed to do so, they didn't have the enough police personnel to control the mob, as a result of which, instead of using other means of stopping the crowd, like lathi charge and using of water cannons, which they could have used had they been alert, they straightway resorted to police firing, and this police firing was lethal, and it took the lives of, as I said, more than 9 to 10 people, and dozens of them have been injured. The action should be taken against the administration. The action should be taken against the police officers who failed to make the arrangements, necessary arrangements. And the state government should also apologize the people of Tamil Nadu for this massacre. I would also request the state government that they should provide enough support to the family members who have lost their lives. I'm not using the word compensation. Nobody can compensate a human being. There's no compensation. Even if you give crores and hundreds of crores, yet you cannot compensate one life. So only what I'm using is the support should be given to the members of the family who have lost their dears and near ones. And I would like to also request the state government, rather I would like to demand the state government should also pay enough money to those who have been injured in this massacre. And the state government should take immediate steps to resolve the issue of closing this copper unit in Tuticorin. Naturally, the state government and the police, because this was going on for the last more than 3 months, and they knew that this is the 100th day, and everybody, the administration knew, the government knew, local police knew, the state police knew, yet they didn't take any steps to resolve this issue. They didn't muster the number of the police people. They didn't request the agitators that we will resolve this issue. No negotiation was being done on the part of the state government. Otherwise, how could this continue for months and months together?
So what is the role of the central government in this issue, sir? Because
central government, like most of the peripheral states of our country, they have finished. Because in peripheral states of our country, right from Kashmir and northeastern state and Tamil Nadu, there was no BJP RSS. So to convert them, the conversion started from Jammu Kashmir and northeast and now Tamil Nadu. So wherever they are regional parties, to muster the support of Bharatiya Janata Party, they have already paralyzed these states. They have finished these states. The Tamil Nadu is one of the state where, because of the mishandling and wrong handling of the central government, the Tamil Nadu, there is no growth, there is no development, there is only infighting. Who knows whether there is a government or not government, whether there is a majority in the government or minority in the government. Just to control that state, the BJP is using arm twisting.
So did you discuss this issue with the Congress President Rahul Gandhi or the...
No, Rahul Gandhi ji, we are all on one in condemning this act on the part of the state government.
Is there any possibility of visiting Rahul Gandhi ji to the...
Well, let us see, because at the moment, at the moment the situation is very tense here, there. So let us see. Once the situation is under control, then we will.
Did you discuss?
No, I have not discussed this with him of visiting this. But this is a very, tense moment. I don't think this is a time to discuss going or not going. This is a very tense moment. At the moment, what is required is that the situation should be brought under control.
Are you directly pointing your finger to the ADMK government's understanding?
Yeah, they are the government. They have, some people have understanding, some people don't have understanding. Who the hell BJP government in the center has understanding, they themselves do not know. They have individual understanding with individuals, not with the government. Thank you very much.